Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Avon Park, at the Avon Park Field, the Avon Park Aero Model Association.
Motor on.
Taking up the Turbo Timber Evolution. Nice little knife edge there. Really see them lights. You can see she'll fly inverted for you, no problem. I'll be honest, I just don't practice enough inverted and I just get so nervous.
Landing flaps.
Man, what a great plane. This could be the most perfect RC plane ever created. In my humble opinion. It is, in my opinion, it is the greatest RC plane ever created. I don't say it could be, I think it is. For flyability, versatility, value for dollar, what you get. She can be beginner friendly. She can be very sporty. Handle anything you really want to throw at her. This plane will run on a 2200 3S all the way up to a 4000 4S and everything in between. Right now, I'm running, it doesn't have to just be a Spectrum battery. Doesn't have to always be smart, expensive lipos. Today, I've got a roaring top 2700 4S in her and does just fine. Balances just fine, flies just fine, responds just fine. Plenty of power. That's a 35C pack.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, the way they had the paint scheme and the sticker scheme on this thing, she's plenty visible as far as orientation and everything. Top of that, she's got some really nice lights. Look at how nice and slow she'll fly. Never even touched.
Landing flaps.
I mean, just walk her around the park here. She does equally at home on grass as she is on pavement. She can be a touch and go machine. Yeah, I know. I should be a salesman for this plane. But I can't, other than the design flaw with the cooling of the ESC.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Which they do offer a fix for that, which is actually very, very simple to do. They even went so far as to put an addendum out in the manual. And all it involves is you going in there, taking the prop and the cowl off, and of course the battery hatch off, and you move the ESC forward towards the nose of the plane, other than where it's at now. And what you do is just two-sided tape it in place in the front. It offers a little more cooling for her, for the ESC. That's so much fun to do. Just do a little touch and go and stall takeoff. If a lot of people have called this the poor man's Draco. And if you ever looked at the Draco, which you can also fly and buy from Horizon Hobby. Both E-Flite planes. But Draco's a $600 plane. This is a $300 plane. But I'd be willing to argue that this thing is a better value, a lot better value
Landing flaps.
than Draco. Draco, it's a great flying machine, and is just its biggest selling point is its incredible ability to land and take off in very short places, which is called STOL.
Flaps up.
STOL, short takeoff
Time remaining 1
and landing. So short takeoff or landing, and they actually does both. But I tell you what though, if you're wanting all the excitement of Draco but at half the cost, and the ability to use 3-cell and 4-cell batteries, which are a lot cheaper, then this is the plane for you. It really is.
seconds.
All right, let's land her. No flaps. There we go. Man, what a great looking plane. What a great looking plane. What a great looking plane when she takes off. You know I had to at least one more time.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Well, there you go, folks. That is the E-Flite Timber Turbo Evolution.
Motor off.
All right, I don't have a smart battery in her. I've got a 2700 4S roaring top in her, so I can't check the battery voltage via my transmitter, but I can show you what it is by taking the battery out. Got to take it out anyways. Feels a little bit warm. ESC is just as, yeah, the ESC is pretty hot, but it's okay. And I have 35% left on a 2700, so that is perfect temperature. I want to show you real quick before we end this video a little mod I've done, other than of course the cooling vents there and there, and this applies to all timbers. This little knuckle here, that where everything joins together, take you 2 small zip ties, one horizontally and one vertically, and tie that together. That will prevent your springs from ever coming undone, because it's just 2 little screws that hold. If they ever back out, well then there goes the springs, your landing gear splays off, and you're probably going to break your prop. So that's just a quick and easy, cheap little mod, a little bit of insurance policy, and there you go, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching Fat Guy Flies RC, and that is the Turbo Timber Evolution by E-Flite. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye.